It's strawberries.
Here, say strawberries just like once. Just say it once.
Everyone knows what.
No, just say it, please. Just one more time.
No.
Please, just one more time.
Strawberry.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm
He's not gonna do it. He's gonna do it, isn't he? He's gonna do it!
No one hit the camera. Go! You okay? Oh my god, dude, I caught that. You okay? Wait, say that again.
Don't worry, I had $91 on my phone.
Good.
Go!
Are you filming?
Yeah!
No!
I'm wasting film!
Hey,
Oh!
from what? Hey.
Anyways.
Who is he?
One more time, one more time. I love having a camera.
I was gonna hit my...
Andrew.
Alright, here, do me.
Dude, imagine having a blob on a trampoline.
Go.
1,
Andrew!
3. What? That one wasn't the best.
Go.
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 Okay.
Dude,
I love you, Blake.
Dude, the cops are gonna come like right now.
or Rosenweed.
No, Jesse, dinner first.
Blake!
The Blake God, dude, go.
Dude. Dude, I don't want to see that if you get over here.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
My pins are falling down.
Your turn, Carly.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, he just did it for you.
See the
What?
video.
You done yet?
Was it cold?
No,
Yeah, let's see it.
I was running around.
Stop filming!